In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 Google Chrome extensions that I used for my designs and my business. So if you want to see more videos on that, click the subscribe button and let's get started. So the first extension I want to go over is called Color Pick Eyedropper. And these are all my Google Chrome extensions here. So if you're not sure where to find that, you can go to these 3 dots here, down to More Tools, and then Extensions. So if I go on my website, and I'll go all the way down because I know there's color down here, I could use the color picker, choose a color, and just copy that. So when I'm working with hex codes, I like to make sure that you can easily see these colors online. So against a certain background, it might be too light or too dark, so you won't be able to read certain text. So if I go over here and I paste the code that I copied, we could see that it passes with this blue color over here, so that's fine. But if I wanted to use, say, white font, for example, it would fail and you can barely see it. So if I wanted to use this color as a background, I might want to change it to black or a dark gray, and it'll show that it passes. You also have your contrast ratio here if you want to look more into that. The second extension I want to go over is called Fireshot. So if you're using a Mac, you already have Screenshot, but when you do screenshots, it usually has that shadow around it. So this is one of the ways in case you didn't want that shadow, or if you're using a PC. So if I go on a page and I go over here, I could capture the entire page, so that means all of this would be saved. Capture visible parts, so anything that's in my view right now, or capture a selection, so that would be a specific item, like if I wanted to do just this copy over here, and then we would just save it. The third extension I want to go over is LastPass. So LastPass is a password manager and it's totally free. So you could save all of your information in one place. You have all your emails, all your passwords. The reason you would want to use this is because you don't want to use the same password everywhere. And using different passwords, it's kind of hard to keep up with what password has what. So if we go to LastPass and open my vault, you can see I have all of my information in here, all the different passwords. And if I go over here, you could also generate secure password. And if I do that, it'll generate a password depending on what I want to include in it: uppercase, lowercase, numbers, password length. So it gives you a more secure password and you don't have to remember all of the passwords that you have. Another great thing about it is that you can install the app on your phone, so you have your passwords with you wherever you go. Extension number 4 is Keywords Everywhere. So Keywords Everywhere, you could use that to find related words for your blog or for SEO purposes. So if I open a new tab, I'll go to Google and I type web design for business. I'll have all my search results over here, and here's Keywords Everywhere, and it shows, well, let's go to the top first. It has web design for business with 1,000 searches per month. Then over here you have all the other related searches, so people look these words up. So if it has website design, that's 200,000 searches. Web design company, 27,000 per month. So all of those would be listed over here. So the fifth extension is Google Analytics Opt-out. So if you're tracking your Google Analytics and say you're working on your website and you see you got 5 new visitors within the last hour, and you might think, oh my God, that's amazing, 5 new visitors. But then you realize, oh wait, I've been working on my website for the last 5 hours. That's me. So you want to make sure that your analytics are accurate and it's not tracking what you're doing with your own website. If you've gotten value out of this video, go ahead and click like and subscribe so I know to make more of this kind of video, and go ahead and comment below. I want to know what your favorite Chrome extensions are. So comment below and I'll see you next week.